If you are an approved proctor for your location, you can use the admin portal to set up a proctor session that test takers can ask to join from their computer. This can be used for both remote proctoring and more efficient in-person proctoring, especially for large groups. To set up a proctor session that a test taker can ask to join, log into the admin portal. Go to the Assessments tab and click Proctoring. Then click Start New Proctor Session. Any test takers associated with your location who have requested to join a proctor session will appear with status pending just after their request. Click the Sync button for immediate updates. To admit a pending test taker, click Start Proctoring. Their computer will then show Proctor mode is on, and they can proceed to their assessment. You can also deny their request.